Alright, language explorers. Let's have a look at today's Friday idiom. So, miles ahead of. Miles ahead of. Something much better than something else. Yeah. This car is miles ahead of those. This car is miles ahead of those. Yeah, just so much better. It is so much better. Yeah. That article is miles ahead of this. Yeah, those documents, those questions, those answers are miles ahead of that quiz, for example. Yeah. Or we could say, this phone is miles ahead of the older ones. Miles ahead, just so much better. There's no comparison. It is so much better. There is no comparison. There's so much better. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah. We will be miles ahead of them by now. Yeah, miles ahead physically. Yeah. If I keep working on my business every day, then over time I will be miles ahead of him. Yeah, there will be no competition. Just every day, more and more. Every day, just getting ahead. Chipping away at the business every day. By chipping away at the business every day, then over time I will be miles ahead. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Now, can you use miles ahead in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below and like the video? Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching for English with Adrian. English with Adrian, or Adrian Nanchev on YouTube, Facebook, or Telegram, and Udemy. Yeah. But how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.